friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious battered fried prawns or golden fried prawns. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's see the ingredients. I've taken 1 cup of corn flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, some salt, some pepper. I've taken about 1 kg of prawns which is deveined with the tail on. You can see I've kept a small amount of tail on it. Some baking powder. Now let's take a bowl. Into the bowl, let's add about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of corn flour. Let's add sufficient salt. Let's also add some chili powder. This is optional. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Now into the dry batter, let's add some chilled soda and mix thoroughly to make it into a thick batter. Now into the prawns, let's add some salt and some pepper powder. Let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything together and keep it aside. Now you can see that our batter is ready. Now let's heat oil in a pan. Now take the prawns one by one. Dip it in the batter so that it's well coated and drop the prawns into the hot oil slowly. So similarly, repeat the same process with all the prawns. Let's fry them in batches. Don't overload the pan. Give them enough space to bloat and fry it till they are nice and golden brown. When the prawns turn nice and golden brown, let's strain it from the hot oil and keep it aside. We can serve this with a nice hot chili sauce or a ketchup. So repeat the same process with all the prawns. That's it friends, our delicious golden fried prawns or battered fried prawns is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.